Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cryptoguru app. So let's get started. So now let me tell you the fact right away. So in Cryptoguru, your money is not real. Right here, this is just game money, which means you can't actually withdraw real money from Cryptoguru because this is just a game. As you can see right here, it says your gaming account balance. So Cryptoguru is basically a game designed for you to learn trading so that you can improve your skills. So if there is anyone that is telling you on this procedure that in this way you would be able to withdraw your money from Cryptoguru, then that is obviously a scam because there is no real money in Cryptoguru. And as you can see right here, I have just created an account just to show you right here. And as you can see, I have $3,000 just for registering with my account right here, which is obviously just a game because I got $3,000 without even paying for anything. So this is just a game for you. And when you go back in here into the App Store right here, or Play Store if you're in Android, you can see here that you can just practice here without losing money. So this is just basically a training ground for traders in order for you to master your skill in trading. So bottom line is you cannot withdraw your money here because it is not real. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.